Hello, Graham here again from Gatehouse Security. So today we're talking about Ahouse. Ahouse is a brand of gate motors controllers. There's a typical Ahouse motor here. It's all stainless steel. Good little motor, quite heavy, quite strong, but they have one little weakness, and that is the motor. Right, that is the motor of the Ahouse Rams. Very small, but very, very torquey. It's got a gearbox in the end of it, and inside that gearbox is a gear that can strip. All right, so if your gate ram stops moving, maybe you can just give it a bit of a push and it starts again and picks up and carries on. There's something wrong with the gears in the end of the gearbox. It's a common thing. It's usually when somebody forces your gate when it's closed. It can be the gate's just not hung right. It could be too heavy. It could be just over time. It's too much strain on the motor. So you can replace the motor yourself. I have them here. They're about $179, I think. And it's a pure Ahouse replacement motor. It's not a copy of anything. It's quite heavy, and it's got a gearbox in the end. And that's the part that fails. So if you need to fix your own Ahouse motors, you can do it yourself. It's not hard. You've only got a set of 4 screws at the end, and inside you've got 4 little set of screws in the inside, and the whole thing can come apart, and you can swap it over yourself. Nothing else to do. No wrong way of doing it. It only goes in one way, and there's got the cable attached that you've thread out through the end. So you can do it yourself. You can do your own repairs. And there's another issue that goes with these. On the threaded rod that goes down the middle, there is some little brass attachments that go onto the side of the threaded rod, and they can also wear. So if it's you check the motor first. That's normally the first thing that goes. But over maybe 10 years, the little brass things wear away. And I have those as well. They're, $15 or something, not expensive. And you have to buy a set with the springs. And when you have it apart, you replace those, you replace the motor, and you've got pretty much a brand new unit. And I've even got new O-rings for these if you want to, if it's got oil coming out the end or water getting in, you can change the O-rings. All right, so I've got it all here. Just got to give me a call. Thank you.